Good. Oh, good.
Huh?
Now, yeah,
Good.
good. To be honest,
Because you're the only one.
I was surprised.
You're
Yeah,
the only one.
that's good,
Everybody
man.
comes to you.
I was a little bit surprised, to be honest. But it's good.
This is Japanese beef, huh?
Huh? Yeah, Japanese beef is Wagyu. Wagyu one. A little bit. Hello, man. Onion. What can I do you for?
Ask for
A
a
Yorkshire burrito? Yeah, do you want a beef or chicken one? Basically, let me explain to you. It's the Yorkshire pudding and comes with the stuff on the bottom, spinach, gravy, potatoes, beef or chicken, and then I wrap it up as a burrito. Fabulous. It's really gorgeous. You like Yorkshire pudding?
You do
Beef and chicken, yeah.
just
From next week we will start to do vegetarian one, but for now it's just beef and chicken.
can it be just one only, not mix it together?
No, yeah, it's just one, or chicken or beef, either or.
I have the
Chicken one,
what's the price?
$8.50. Yeah, do you want one? Yeah, cool.
What does it contain?
Basically, it's the stuffing on the bottom,
Yeah.
spinach, gravy, the chicken, and then I wrap it up as a burrito. Do you want one? Yeah, I will make one for you right now.
Tomorrow, and I didn't do it tomorrow.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, my love. Give me 2 seconds and I'll make it for you.
Cockwood Street, Yorkshire, as it is.
Oh, yeah.
My aunt makes Yorkshire pudding.
Oh, really? So you like it? Yeah. It's not difficult to make it. You will try the best burrito of your life.
Well, I used to think it was freshly made, but you know what women are like, they don't tell you. You don't expect them to tell you, do you?
Yeah. So a little bit pickles on that. And voila.
Perfect.
And your fries is on the way now.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Really nice.
If you want to drink something, you can just go.
Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, your burrito is on the way, okay? Just a second.
Used to make this video and many other videos on my channel. Most of the videos you see are made using this kind of product. It is the best product you can find around for the money. The new one, the iSteady Pro 3, is much improved. The previous product was already good, but it's much better, and it is great because it has a different slot for the camera, and you can fit inside the GoPro Hero 8. Many other similar stabilizer, this camera doesn't fit because it's a bit bigger than the Hero 7, the Hero 6, Hero 5, but here it can fit very, very well. It has also new software improvement, new mechanical improvement. It was really, really great. You can see I move my hands up and down, right and left. The camera, it's steady there. It doesn't move at all. It stabilizes wonderfully your video, improves very much the quality of your video production. iSteady Pro 3.
Tasty for my chips.
And now we're melting your cheese. You'll see how beautiful this will look like. It's gonna be amazing. Special part.